Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to open Easter cave and visit. So in this latest visit update, there's a special Easter event, and yes, there's also a new secret locations that you can unlock. First, just go to the Easter island like this, and then just head over to this area, this one. Just go to this mosaic door area that's surrounded by eight egg shadow like this. And to open this door, you need to find all 8 Easter eggs first. And if you still don't know how where to find them, make sure to check the tutorial link in the description to watch the tutorial. And once you have collected all 8 eggs, just come back here and place its eggs on its matching shadow slots like this. Like this, and then the door will be open like this, and you can go to the Easter cave like this, and in here you can just fishing as usual. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.